In this video, we are going to study about autosclerosis, also known as autospongiosis. In autosclerosis, anchondral bone is replaced by spongy bone. It mainly involves stapes region, leading to stapes fixation and conductive hearing loss. Most common site is fistula antifenestrum, lying in front of oval window. It has autosomal dominant inheritance pattern. 50% patients of autosclerosis, they have a positive family history. Female to male ratio is 2:1, but in India it is predominantly seen in males. Most commonly affected age group is 20 to 30 years. It may be associated with osteogenesis imperfecta. The triad of symptoms of osteogenesis imperfecta, autosclerosis, and blue sclera is called van der Hoef syndrome. Types of autosclerosis are stapedial autosclerosis. It involves stapes region, causes conductive hearing loss. Cochlear autosclerosis. It involves round window region, may cause sensory neural hearing loss. Histological autosclerosis. It is asymptomatic and changes are only seen on histology. It causes neither conductive nor sensory neural hearing loss. Pathology. Grossly, the lesion appears chalky white, greyish or yellow, sometimes red in color due to increased vascularity in active and progressive focus. Microscopically, spongy bone appears in normally dense anchondral layer of otic capsule. In immature active lesion, there are numerous marrow and vascular spaces with osteoblasts and osteoclasts and a lot of cement substance which stains blue with hematoxylin eosin stain. Mature foci show less vascularity and laying of more bone and more fibrillar substance than cementum and is stained red. Symptoms of autosclerosis include hearing loss, which is painless and progressive and is often bilateral conductive type. Paracusis wilsii is that patient hears better in noisy environment as compared to quiet surroundings because normal person will raise his voice in noisy surroundings. Tinnitus is commonly seen in cochlear autosclerosis and in active lesions. Vertigo is uncommon. Speech is monotonous, well-modulated soft speech. Signs of autosclerosis are Schwartz sign. In this, a reddish hue seen on tympanic membrane which indicate active focus. Eustachian tube function is normal. Tuning fork test shows negative Raynaud and Weaver test will be lateralized to ear with greater conductive hearing loss. Pure tone audiometry show loss of air conduction more for lower frequencies. Airborne gap is increased up to 60 decibel. There is a dip in the bone conduction at 2000 Hz, which is known as Carhart notch. This picture is showing pure tone audiometry, and here is the Carhart's notch, a triangular area in bone conduction at 2000 Hz frequency. Treatment is medical and surgical. Medical treatment is by sodium fluoride, which hastens the maturity of active focus and arrests further cochlear loss. And surgical treatment is by stapedectomy or stapedotomy. In this, the fixed autosclerotic stapes is removed and a prosthesis is inserted between the incus and oval window. Contraindication to stape surgery are the only hearing ear, associated Meniere's disease, professional athletes, high construction workers, divers and frequent air travelers, and young children. Thank you.